Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is Easy Apple Bake. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. As far as I'm aware, this is the only cake recipe on Rough Diamond Recipes, but this came out of a true necessity. Maybe I should explain. It was late one afternoon when all the shops were shut and we couldn't go out. I heard a scream from the kitchen. When I went there, my wife had run out of chocolate. No big deal, you think, but this is my wife we're talking about. Let me see, how best can I explain what my wife's like without any chocolate? Yep, that does it. And I'd call that a necessity in anybody's book. So a quick look through the ingredients cupboard found we had enough stuff to make a cake. Not quite chocolate, but should get me through the evening. So this is what we came up with. First we'll line the suitably sized oven-proof dish with grease-proof paper. I asked my wife when she was doing this bit why she greased the pan before putting the greaseproof paper in. She just said to stop it sticking. But I didn't think greaseproof paper stuck. Anyway, she must know what she's doing. Anyway, when you've lined your pan, sieve the baking powder and flour into a bowl. And when this is done, add the sugar and mix in. Then it's time to add the apples and again mix through. The next thing to add to the cake mixture is a beaten egg. When this is thoroughly combined, it's time to add the melted butter. And again mix in well. When all the ingredients are thoroughly combined, it's time to transfer the mixture to the greased baking tray. I don't care if you haven't had any chocolate, it's my turn to lick the spoon. Okay, you lick the spoon, Then when your wife's finished licking the spoon, transfer the mixture to a preheated 180 degrees C oven for 40 minutes. And there you have it, Easy Apple Bake. We hope you enjoyed this recipe born out of necessity and self-preservation. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon again on the next one. Bye for now.